How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to the Horn and Hammer Kiko's channel. On this channel, we raise Kiko goats, Muscovy ducks, have some livestock guardian dogs out in the fields with them. But every now and then we might encounter some mechanical failures. One of the things that we like to do, we really like our 2013 Jeep Wrangler. Family loves to ride around in it. About every summer we'll take the doors, top off, everything like that. And I've had a recurring issue for a couple of years, and I'll explain that to you and show you how I fix it. So, where the top and the doors are off, water can get in here, dust, all kinds of debris, and if you'll notice that seat belt light there, even if I buckle up, that seat belt light will remain. And if I sit here and I mess with it enough, I can get it to turn off. So I think the fix for that is going to be some electric contact cleaner, and I'll show you guys what I do to get it fixed. Alright, so if you look under the seat, we've got an electrical plug right there. We want to disconnect that. Alright, so if you feel around on your plug, you'll feel a little part on the upper back side that you can push down on. If you'll push that down and pull here, you'll disconnect it. That's step one. That's step one. It might take a second to figure it out, but it's not too terrible. So down here you can see the dust, debris, all kinds of stuff just from living through the spring, summer, and fall with no tops or doors. So just take your contact cleaner, blast that out. And you want to take your seat belt and just kind of function it a few times. Then for good measure, we'll just do that again. All right, let's give it a try, see if it works. You want to plug this back up. All right. All right, there you have it, guys. I'm good for another year. Thank you. Please tune into the channel. Like I said, we raise goats, Muscovy ducks. We got about 11 of those babies right now. And I don't know, maybe in the future we'll raise some livestock guardian dogs too. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
And please like and subscribe. And it is all for free, guys. So make sure you do it for the Horn and Hammer Kiko YouTube channel, please. Well, bye, guys.